UV DTF. Round one. So we are going to.
That was good.
This is my first time. I'm going to try our new UV DTF wraps. This is a 16 ounce we got from the Dollar Tree. It isn't your typical glass that you would use for these wraps. If you can see, it is larger at the top and smaller at the bottom, more like a beer mug. So if you see here, it kind of doesn't wrap perfectly. So we're just gonna have to maneuver, work with it, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. My first time. This is Papa Jim. Say hello, Papa Jim. That is Carl's grandfather. He is in New York. The man, the myth, the legend. So we're gonna go ahead. Be sure to use your squeegee to press it into the clear film. First thing you wanna do is, once you press it, flip it over. With typical permanent vinyl, you would peel it like this and you would peel it up. UV DTF, we wanna peel it from the back. You wanna bend the white paper part here, hold the sticky transfer, or what is this, film paper? Mm-hmm. And then we want to peel it back like some bed sheets. Here we go. Oh, it's peeling really good. There we go. Give it a good peel. Give it a good peel. You definitely have to squeegee it first. There we go. Give it a good peel. Press it a little bit. Ooh.
Oh, Chili, you moving something?
It popped.
Here,
it popped open. There we go. Hold that, and then here we go.
There we go.
No problemo. So here is our UV DTF wrap. It looks the same on the back as regular regular DTF. You can see the adhesive there. You see the scratches on the film, but that's just from the squeegee. It's not gonna affect the actual design.
Yeah, hold it up. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Okay.
Because it's so, okay, I'm sorry, show them how to do it.
I don't know how to do it.
Yes, you do, lay it down.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay this down here.
Oh, you should be using like an alcohol wipe to clean your glass, because we have like fingerprints.
Ew, it is nasty. Did you get some Windex? And we don't have alcohol. Do you have alcohol?
Yeah, I have alcohol in the garage. I'll be right back.
Okay.
You can take hot water and all that other stuff.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, I've been filming the whole time. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is, we used it with, we cleaned it with Windex. We are gonna clean it and soap it and all that up, so it's not, we're not gonna poison the family. Just wanna get all of the fingerprints off, but this is leaving like,
no, that's fine. You don't have to be perfect.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do our first test. If you're familiar with this, comment down below on what your best technique is. This is gonna be my technique for the first time. So let's go ahead and go.
Remember, it's tapered, so it's not gonna roll evenly.
Yes, I might have to trim it. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to trim it towards the end because it is going to, like you said, taper. Mm-hmm. Okay, so give it a roll.
Oh, it's gonna wanna come up. That's what it is.
What do you mean?
It's gonna want to come up. See, it's going up too high. You need it. You probably should have started lower.
All right, so we'll just have to trim it.
Yeah.
Which is fine. This is all experimental. Ooh, flash.
And see, that wouldn't have happened if it wasn't a tapered glass.
Yes, if
we
it
don't
was
know
a
what to get.
Yeah, but we also have these. These we're gonna try too, but we didn't get the right glass, so don't worry. But
and we're not professionals. This isn't what we do. We just make the thing.
We are manufacturers.
We're manufacturers.
Here we go. You ready for that peel?
I'm ready.
Let me go ahead.
Now you have a Thunderbolt that you can just put on individually.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Ready? Get okay. Get that close up.
Oh, you gotta press it with the squeegee, baby, on the glass. Should have trimmed all that off first.
No, I'm gonna go ahead and do it.
You gotta press it with the squeegee on the glass. You gotta press it. You didn't press it. You gotta press it.
Well, I pressed it with my hand.
No,
I went like that.
Press it with your thumbs like this, just like they do in the videos.
Whoa, that one's about to come off.
Oh, okay.
Don't press those. Press all these.
That one. Press this one.
They're good.
You should cut all the ones off that are gonna come off.
Cut them off?
Yeah, just trim them.
Oh.
Or you just
yeah, let's just
peel them off. Yeah, see, it comes right off. Oh yeah, that's not bad. Minus that one that you can take off.
I'm gonna just fold it in.
All right, lift it up. Yeah, that's good.
I like it.
Yeah, me too. That's beautiful. Look at those colors. Look at those colors. And see the difference, guys? And can you feel it? How's it feel?
Yes,
it feels so cool.
Feel it. It does definitely has a raised texture. A lot of people are calling UV DTF 3D UV DTF just because it has this raised texture. But just remember, nothing is 3D, but it does feel amazing.
Yeah.
It just gives it that that unique look since it's raised. The colors are vibrant. It's durable. Let's look. I'm gonna try to peel it. It won't come up. We can, you know, it's water resistant, heat resistant, weather resistant. It is high quality UV DTF here at Flash Custom Transfers.
Flash UV.
Flash UV. Oh, that's what I should have put there. I forgot. We do have a new logo, Flash UV. Put it right here, babe.
Flash UV.
Flash UV.
Yeah, that's dope. That came out dope. And again, we are newbies when it comes to placing things. So we would just focus, but you guys won't have that problem because you guys are professionals at this. And please show us all the things, because you know, like we did regular DTF on wood, but we want you guys to show us all of your great ideas that you can.
Yes, your experiments, everything that you can press with DTF and everything you can place with UV DTF. So we have an examples here. We're gonna be placing on these mugs. We bought all of these from the Dollar Tree, and I think you have those clips, right, baby?
Oh yeah, from the Dollar Tree. We need to put those in a video.
Yeah, put them in this video.
Yeah, I will, yeah.
And then we got this canvas. Even though you can use DTF, we're definitely gonna try UV DTF just so we can have that comparison and
you know what?
contrast.
Here is the video of us buying these messed up raggedy glasses at the Dollar Store.
Okay,
yesterday.
love y'all. I'm gonna head out. Bye.
All right, all right, we are in Dollar Tree. Well, now the $1.25 tree, and we are looking for some glasses to test out our UV DTF. We're looking for we printed some 16
ounces.
16
19 ounces.
wraps. Some UV DTF wraps to test before we release on March 1st. So Chelly is looking for the glass.
16 ounces.
16 ounces.
Here we are. We need one of these. Here, honey.
One of these. So this right here is not UV DTF. I don't know what this is. This is ink. It might even be sublimation ink.
Don't drop that. Don't hold it like that. Hold one and one. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, I think everything here is ink. That's pretty cool.
Oh, cool. I'm trying to think, what do we have? Okay, so that.
Oh, sorry. And it doesn't have to be glass, guys. Don't forget, UV DTF can go on mugs, anything. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna make a little.
You can just set them down right there, because I don't want to.
Little cute mug.
For your straight out of content?
Yeah, right, for the straight out of content.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna give me a new mug too for our coffee.
I'm gonna get a cup for chocolate milkies, but I'm gonna put the what's it called? Hellfire Club on that one. Yeah, so definitely come to the dollar store and get all these surfaces, think about it, you can customize anything you desire with UV DTF. And don't forget, regular DTF as well. For the chopped cheeses?
No, for the UV DTF.
No, baby, you use the regular plastic.
I know, but the scraper seems so intense.
No, that thing will probably scrape it off. I wonder how much these are.